Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a water boiler electric kettle. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and they mentioned how the stainless steel electric kettle. So in terms of capacity that's on here is 1.6 quart, and it does have rapid boiling option, so that means it actually boils within 3 to 6 minutes once you guys turn it on. The product is cordless once you guys put it onto the actual charger in the bottom to actually activate it. They mention how the product has a double wall stainless steel, so that way the product is corrosion free, and that way the product actually lasts longer as well. And they also mentioned for the lid, it's a double level lid, so that way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to pour stuff out, and also that way it's actually easier for you guys to clean it if you guys need to. So for this kettle, you do have the option to boil water, make tea, but see inside right here, they provide guys more spec about the product as well, and also on the side right here. So first, I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, you guys can definitely see how the product is all well protected. So when you guys take it out, you can see the product underneath it, so let's take that out as well. So on the very bottom, you can see they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. Right here, we do have the actual product, and then right here, we have the bottom of the base for the charging output. So when you guys take everything out, this is what the bottom part looks like. So this is the base. Is going to plug in the cable right here to recharge it. So you see the bottom right here, we do have the cable management, so that way you guys won't tangle up your cable. And then right here, we do have the actual product, so let's take it out. All right, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So we have a button in the bottom right here for you guys to turn it on and activate it. Right here, we have a little button for you guys to push to open up the lid. And when you guys are done using it, you guys can close it back up. You guys can hear how high quality lid is on here. And the front part right here, we do have the brand logo. And right here, we do have the tip where to pour out really easily. And you see the inside right there, that is basically what the inside looks like. So it's kind of hard for me to show you guys in the video right here, but you can see inside right there, they do have the stainless steel filter. And you see inside right here, we do have like the indicator line to let you guys know how much water you guys are pouring in terms of maximum and minimum. But definitely for the lid option right here, you guys can push it up and push it down really easily. So once you guys open up, it stays right there. But I just want to push it up. That's how far I can go. And this is what the bottom part looks like. So when you guys are ready to use it and pour your water inside, you just want to put this onto the charging base. So just like that, and that way you can start using it. And then for the product, it has the auto shut off option and the boil dry protection as well. But you see how wide the actual lid is on top. So that way if you guys want to open it up and wash it, you can definitely do that on here. But definitely when you guys feed material on here, it feels like a high quality material, especially when you guys tap it on the side. They do have like a high quality stainless steel that's built inside. And you see in the bottom right here, when you guys activate the product and turn it on, there's a blue indicator light that turns on to let you guys know that it's working. So that is everything that's included in the product right here. Let me actually go plug this in to show you guys how it works and when it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so first thing you want to do is to pour some water inside. Especially since it's your first time using it, you probably want to boil a few times first. Alright. So you don't put it right on top and close the lid. Once you guys do that, you guys can press the button right here and that will turn it on. You can see how we have the blue light that pops on. So all we need to do now is wait for it to boil. Alright, so it's almost been 2 minutes. Even here started to boil. Alright, so it's almost 3 minutes. Even here it's boiling a lot. So I think it's probably gonna take around 5 to 6 minutes for it to fully boil. So we have it on max. Alright, so it's done. So it took roughly around like 5 minutes or so for it to fully boil. So when you guys want to pour it out, it's really easy to pour it out, just like this. It has a no spill design on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this whole quick test, the product definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So whether you guys want to use this to make coffee, tea, noodles, oatmeal, or whatever, however you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But it definitely works pretty well as a water boiler if you can see when I should use it. And I definitely love the overall design of the product. It's so easy to use. From opening up the lid to activating the power on here and pouring out is so easy as well. And for the product, definitely has a large capacity on here, which is 1.5 liters. But definitely boils pretty fast, just like what they mentioned, around 3 to 6 minutes, depending on how much water is boiling. But that is everything that's on the product here. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality electric kettle that has everything that's on here in terms of auto shut off, boil dry protection, the high quality lid, the high quality material, and so much more. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.